So you have a clothing line, you got some things printed, but you don't really know how much you should charge for your clothing. In this video, we're gonna give you a free tool that you can use to calculate your retail price. Thank you for tuning in. If this is your first time to my channel, my name is Michael. I am the owner of ECG Graphics Printing. We are a print shop located in Southern California, and we work with a lot of different brands. And through those relationships, we've seen some techniques and tricks that have allowed for some of our clients to be more successful than others. And what we want to do is share that information with you. So if that's something you're interested in, please hit that subscribe button. Also, bang on that notification bell so you're notified whenever we drop some content. We deal with a lot of startup and emerging brands, so figuring out a good retail price for your clothing line is a big question that a lot of our clothing brands have. And honestly, it's a conversation that comes up a lot because when customers come to us and they want to get things printed, they want to make sure that they still have enough meat on the bones to actually make some money and profit off of the products that they are getting printed. We've seen a lot of different things. Honestly, we've had customers come in with a notepad and they're asking questions on pricing, on different quantities and things like that. If they at this location, if they take another location off, or if they do embroidery over heat press or heat press over silk screen, DTG, DTF, there's so many different things, and I just see customers just jotting things down, or some of them make notes inside their phone. And although that is cool because you're actually writing those things down, it's not giving you a system to be able to actually figure out what your retail price is. So what we want to do in this video is we're going to be going over a tool that we created specifically to solve this problem. So without further ado, let's head on over to the computer.
Before we get into the resource, let's talk about the fundamentals of pricing using this pricing guide. Calculating your retail price always starts with the garment cost. Second is going to be the printing cost. Third is going to be packaging or finishing costs. Fourth is going to be delivery cost. Then you're going to add your profits, and that's going to give you your retail price. If you would like to receive this free PDF, please go onto our website at ecggp4u.com/resources, type in your information, and we will send it to you right away. Now, this is what you all been waiting for. Here is the free price calculator. This is the first page that you're going to see when you actually download and open it up for the first time. Here goes a video that links you right to where we are, our address, and then there's some savings that you can get if you add us on social media or if you join our merch program, exclusive resources, products, and discounts to help grow your clothing line. So the next tab is going to be the actual price calculator, and the first thing you're going to see is on the top there's going to be A through I, so A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and we'll explain to you guys what that is used for a little bit later. Okay, so in this tool you have a place to write your garment costs, your printing costs, your packaging cost, your delivery cost, and then you have 3 places for your miscellaneous. So if there's something else that you need to log for a charge, and that's your true COG, and that's your cost of goods. Next, the portion that we all love is adding in your profits. So the first one is going to be for operational profit, and the second one is going to be profits for growth. Okay, I know you're probably thinking, why 2 types of profit? But you need money for now and some for later. But back to the regular schedule programming. Once you've entered your desirable profit, that's going to give you your suggested retail price. And these 2 sections are just the actual dollar amount of the 2 different types of profit that you have. Okay, let's do a sample. So let's say we get our garment for $5. We get our printing done for $12.50. We do our packaging for 50 cents. And we'll deliver them to our customers for $5. And then in this job, we don't have any miscellaneous expenses that are accumulated. So that brings us to $23. Now we are going to figure out what we want our profit to be. And this is for our operational costs. So let's say we want to do 100% profit on this product. And let's say we want to be modest and we want to do, let's say 15% for growth. And there we go. Bringing our suggested retail price to $49.45. So our profits are $23, and then we should be saving $3.45. Okay, so we could have stopped there, but wait, there's more. Here is the product cost log. So you would use a calculator to actually calculate your costs, and then you would use this to log all of the costs, and you have enough space to do, I say, about 30. So we broke it up into your product. Next is going to be the blank. So you would actually put down a vendor, you can put down the actual SKU of the blank that you're using, and then you would enter in that print cost. And your print cost is going to be found under A, which if we go back to the calculator, you see where A is at, you take that cost and you plug it in and that's where you will have that. Then we're going to be moving on to the printing. So you will put your printer here, as much information as you can. And then also normally the price is associated with the quantity. So you will put in that quantity there. And this drop down menu goes from 0 to, I believe, 10,000. So you have plenty of space and a whole wide range of, the garment quantities. And you will take B, going back, and now you can plug that in. Next is your packaging and finishing. So same thing, you would put in your vendor, and then you would have the actual cost of that. And as you can see, that's associated with C. So you would take that from the C portion of the calculator. And then now we move on to D, which is the delivery. And you would type that in, put in your delivery. Now E is your miscellaneous cost. And that's going to be a combination of all three of the E's. So all of the different prices or costs that you had there, you're going to add them up and you're going to place them here. And then right next to it, so you can specify what those costs were, you can put those in there. So whatever notes that you have. Next is going to be F. And F is your total cost of goods. So this is your actual bottom line. How much does it cost you to actually produce that product? You'll put that there. Next is going to be your profits, which we all love, favorite section. And G is going to be your operational costs or your consumption profit. So the profits you're going to consume. H is going to be profits that you save for your reserve. And you're going to put that there. And last but not least, your retail price. You're going to take your retail price, which is highlighted green for you. You are going to place that inside of there. So now you have all of the important information for the cost that you have for that product in one place. And you can actually have it for all of the different items that you sell in your clothing line. So for fun, why not? Let's just fill this baby out. Okay. Using the example that we already had. If you got something from this video, please hit that thumbs up. Also, bang on the notification bell so you're notified whenever we drop some content. If this is a tool that you would like to implement into your clothing line today, right now, please go over to our website at ecggp4u.com/resources. Sign up for that email list and we will send this document over to you so you can start implementing it right now into your clothing line so you know your numbers and you can make sure that you are profitable. Till next time.